up in the morning light, stretched out long and warm and bright, paws on the floor, a little yawn. A brand new day has just been born. Found a sunbeam on the rug, gave myself a little snug, a twitch of the whiskers, a blink of the eye, ready to watch the world go by. Oh, a purr and a stretch, a twitch of the tail, my perfect day will never fail. Just a little fluff ball, soft and sweet, with tiny dancing happy feet. A little nap beside the chair,